The philosophy of science is the philosophical study of the sciences. Philosophers who are interested in this part of philosophy ask such questions as, what is science? What distinguishes scientific from non-scientific knowledge? Is there a scientific method? Are there different kinds of sciences? Do different kinds of sciences have different methods? Philosophers sometimes make a distinction between inductive, empirical sciences, such as physics, chemistry, and biology, and deductive, non-empirical sciences, such as mathematics and logic. The former are based on empirical observations, while the latter do not depend on any specific sense experiences. These sciences use different methods. Sciences are often divided into natural sciences, social sciences, and humanistic sciences. Natural sciences, such as physics, chemistry, and biology, study nature. Social sciences, such as psychology and sociology, study humans and human societies. And humanistic sciences, such as history and ethnology, study humans and their creations. Different sciences often use different methods. For example, observation, interviews, statistical analyses, experiments, and deductive reasoning. Such methods are used to describe, classify, measure, and explain reality. Scientists frequently try to develop models and scientific theories to help us understand reality. Scientific theories can be used to explain various phenomena and to make predictions about the future. Philosophers try to understand what we mean by such words and expressions as natural law, explanation, cause, and effect. For example, what do we mean when we say that something causes something? Already the ancient Greeks talked about different kinds of causes: efficient, material, formal, and final. Modern scientists often focus on efficient causes and try to find law-like relations between various phenomena. There are many kinds of explanations. For example, causal explanations, functional explanations, dispositional explanations, and teleological explanations. Different sciences seem to use different kinds of explanations. For example, physicists often use causal explanations, biologists functional explanations, and psychologists dispositional and teleological explanations. Inductivists believe that science starts with observation. Then we use induction to derive general scientific theories. From these theories, we deduce various predictions, which are tested against empirical observations. If the predictions turn out to be correct, our scientific theories are confirmed by the evidence. Falsificationists reject this view. They believe that science starts with problems. Scientists formulate hypotheses to explain these puzzles. Predictions are deduced from the hypotheses. If the predictions do not match our empirical observations, our hypotheses are refuted, and we try to find better ones. If a hypothesis has withstood many attempts to falsify it, we can provisionally accept it, even if it is not certain that it is true. A scientific theory is a hypothesis of this kind. Some philosophers of science believe that sciences are centered around various so-called paradigms. A paradigm is a fundamental way of looking at a scientific field. It consists of basic assumptions, theories, methodological principles, norms and values, key examples, etc. Scientific progress, according to this view, is not a linear accumulation of facts, but a dynamic process of periods of stability. Normal science, punctuated by radical changes. Scientific revolutions, driven by shifts in fundamental paradigms.